Hello dear students, the other day we have done number of zeros. So number of zeros, the curve px, as many times it cuts or touches the x-axis, that many zeros the polynomial will have. So right now this curve is not touching single time to the x-axis, therefore it will be having 0 zeros. It is cutting at 1 point, so it will be having 1 0. It is cutting at 3 points, so it will be having 3 zeros. It is cutting at 2 points, so it will be having 2 zeros. It is cutting at 1 2 3 4 points, so 4 zeros. It is cutting once, touching twice, so 3 zeros it will be having. Now for the next thing, we are going to study the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Like we have been given a quadratic polynomial ax square, polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. This is the quadratic polynomial. When we are talking about its zeros, so zeros are whatever values of x we are getting. So it is quadratic polynomial, means it is having degree 2. As I have taught you in the previous video, it is having degree 2, so it will be having 2 zeros. So 2 zeros we are giving name as alpha and beta. The 2 zeros will be alpha and beta. So sum of zeros alpha plus beta will be equals to minus b upon a. Product of zeros alpha into beta is equals to c upon a. Sum of zeros minus b upon a, and product of zeros is c upon a. Now with this we are going to think about some more situations. Like a question I am taking. This is 3x square plus 5x minus 2. So its factorization will give us the zeros of this polynomial. So zeros of this polynomial will be 3x square plus minus 2. So it will be plus minus minus 6x and 1x I could write. So 3x is common, x plus 2 minus 1 is common, x plus 2. So x plus 2 is again common, 3x minus 1. So either x plus 2 will be equal to 0 because it is 0. Therefore x will be equals to minus 2. 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. That implies to x equals to 1 by 3. I could say this as alpha and this as beta. Now we are going for the verification of this. So sum of zeros is equals to minus b upon a. Alpha plus beta is equals to ABC. I am writing over here. A is equals to coefficient of x square, that is 3. B is the coefficient of x, that is 5. And C is the constant term, that is minus 2. So B equals to 5 upon A equals to 3. Alpha is minus 2, beta is 1 by 3. So LCM is 3 minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 by 3. Verified. Now for the product we are going. Product of zeros is c upon a. Product of zeros is alpha into beta. That only is product. The value of c is minus 2 upon a is 3. Minus 2 by 3. Alpha is minus 2, beta is 1 by 3. Alpha is 2, beta is 1 by 3. So it will be minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3. So both are equal. This is giving us the verification. Hence it is verified that the relationship between coefficients and zeros is verified under this process. Hello dear students, we need to find the zeros of this polynomial x square minus 5 and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient, as we have done a previous question similar to this. So we know that a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. So on comparing with this, it is x square minus 5. So I could write plus 0x. So here a will be equals to 1, the value of b will be equals to 0, and value of c will be minus 5. So this is the things. Now we need to factorize it. So x square minus 5 could also be written as x square minus under root 5 to whole square. I could also write x minus root 5 into x plus under root 5. They are the zeros. So x minus root 5 is equals to 0, that x will be equals to root 5. In the other case, x plus root 5 equals to 0, x will be equals to minus root 5. I'm saying it as alpha and it as beta. This is our own wish. Anything we can keep alpha and beta. It's not compulsory we need to take this only alpha. We can take it beta also. So now sum of zeros is equals to minus b upon a. Sum of zeros means alpha plus beta is equals to minus b. b is 0 upon a is 1. So first 0 is root 5 and second 0 is minus root 5 equals to 0. So 0 equals to 0. This is verified. Now product of zeros is equals to c upon a, that is alpha into beta is equals to c. c is minus 5 upon a is 1. Alpha is root 5 and beta is minus root 5. So it will be minus 5 equals to minus 5. Hence it is verified. So verification could be done like this. Same ways, one more question I am doing. This is little bit different from the previous question. Find the quadratic polynomial. We need to find the quadratic polynomial if the sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta. Sum of the zeros is 1 by 4 and product of the zeros is given as alpha into beta is equals to minus 1. So we should be knowing the quadratic polynomial is x square minus sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta, sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros alpha into beta. So x square minus 1 by 4 x plus minus 1. Taking LCM as 4, it will be 4x square minus x minus 4. So I could write 1 upon 4 times 4x square minus x minus 4. This is the quadratic polynomial. So I could write it 4x square minus x minus 4 answer. This is the quadratic polynomial. One more question we are doing. Find the quadratic polynomial if its zeros are means alpha equals to 2 and beta equals to minus 1. We know that the quadratic polynomial can be calculated as x square minus alpha plus beta, that is sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros alpha into beta. So x square minus 2 plus minus 1 x plus 2 into minus 1. This becomes x square minus 1x plus minus 2. So x square minus x minus 2 is the quadratic polynomial. So like this way we can do the questions. Hello dear students, we are going to understand division algorithm for a polynomial. So division algorithm, it will help us to calculate the zeros. If some zeros are given, 1 or 2 zeros are given to us, then we can calculate the rest of the zeros of cubic, biquadratic, even quadratic polynomial also we can calculate the rest zeros if 1 or 2 zeros are given to us. So to understand that, first of all we should be knowing the division. So we are going to divide a polynomial this by given polynomial x plus 2. So we are dividing with x plus 2 to the given polynomial 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So what has to be done for division? Highest degree of this we are taking 2x square by highest degree of this x. So what is left? 2x. With 2x we are multiplying, it will become 2x square plus 4x. On subtracting, this will cancel. Now it will be minus x plus 1. So I am taking minus x upon x, that is minus 1 into x minus x minus 2. So it will be plus, it will be plus. So overall it will become 3. This 3 is said as the remainder and this is the quotient. So like this way we can divide, you know this thing from the previous class also. So must practice, keep revising, rest we will see on the next video.